everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. I never say that, but I just kind of felt the need. I know it is October 4th. Oh my god, I know it's November 4th. So you guys probably like, don't talk about Christmas, but like Christmas is next month and I usually do my Christmas wish list videos around this time and I have to do it. It's just tradition. I've done it every single year since I started YouTube. If you want to check them out, feel free. They're a little cringy, but what are you gonna do about it? Also, I'm wearing all green. That's just kind of the mood I'm in. Filming this on the day I'm supposed to post it, so I feel a little stressed about that, but we're gonna make it work. And stay tuned for the end because I have a very exciting announcement and I know you guys are gonna be excited. Or maybe you won't be, but I hope you will be. I have a list of some stuff that I would like. Obviously, I'm not expecting this. It would just be great if I got one or two things from this list. First thing I want are some fun colored mom jeans. They're these red ones for Urban Outfitters that I really want. I have like so many outfits in my mind that I can wear with them. Next are some fun plaid pants from Urban Outfitters as well because I only have a few from Brandy Melville and I just want to try out the Urban Outfitters ones to see if they're better. So I really want a coffee machine because I'm literally craving coffee every day. I've recently become like addicted to it. Yeah, I really want a coffee machine, but I only like iced coffee, so you know I have to put the ice in, put it in the freezer for a little. You know how it is, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Next thing I want are some colored Superga platform shoes. My friend Erin has them and I want them so bad. Next two things I want kind of correlate with each other. I don't know, I can't decide. I might want my third piercing, but also like, do I want it? I don't know. And then if I do get my third piercing, I want like really tiny little like small thin hoops. I think it would look cool, but also I'm not sure if I even want my third. Next thing I want is an Urban Outfitters gift card because Urban Outfitters is my favorite store and I know I would use it and I would be so happy. Next thing is a big oversized rugby t-shirt because I just love the way they look and I just love it. I just want that. Next, I want a Chick-fil-A gift card because Chick-fil-A is my favorite food ever. I mean, the closest Chick-fil-A from here is like 30 minutes, so I don't go a lot. But when I do go to a Chick-fil-A, it'd be nice to have a gift card, you know? Next thing is some like clear eyebrow gel because I have like the Glossier Boy Brow, but like the brush part of it is too weak for my eyebrows. So I needed like a stronger brush. Next thing I want is a Hydro Flask water bottle. I just like the way they look a lot and I would want like a fun colored one for my backpack. The usual peanut butter M&Ms. They're literally my favorite candy. I like can't live without them. And I have been going through a peanut butter M&M drought for the past like 6 months. So I really just need those in my life. Also dark chocolate. I love dark chocolate way more than milk chocolate. That's like an unpopular opinion, but I just love it. Next, some big sweatshirts because I wear sweatshirts like every day because they're so comfortable. I just want some more to add to my collection. I also want a Polaroid printer because I want to add a bunch of pictures to this wall right here and I want them to be Polaroid so I can like connect my phone and then print pictures from the machine. A lifetime supply of chapstick because I find myself needing more chapstick probably once a month. My favorite chapstick is the Nivea one. It's so good, better than any others that I've used. I always need more. I'm running out as we speak, so yeah. Also some high-waisted mom jeans. I already have those, but they're all ripped. So maybe just a pair of non-ripped would be nice. And the last thing is kind of like a big gift, so I don't need to get it, but it would be really nice to get AirPods because I love listening to music and it would just be so easy to put my AirPods in, listen to music when I'm walking in the hallway, when I'm doing homework and all that, and I know I'd get so much use out of them. Now for the big announcement, I am releasing more merch. I'm so excited. I'm not sure when it's coming out, but definitely within the next week or so. So if you want to know the exact date, you can keep up with me on my Instagram. I'll definitely be posting on my story all about it. And it looks like this. It's just a little yin yang in the corner. Right here it says KM for Kelly Margot. I chose the yin yang because of this photo I found online and I really liked it. So the black part is the bad, the white part is the good, and then half of it is the bad that's in the good and the other half is the good that's in the bad. and then the yin yang itself is just life. And I really wanted to put it on a t-shirt because I love the way they look and I love the meaning. Not only am I coming out with t-shirts, but I'm also gonna have sweatshirts too, which is so exciting. They're just crew necks. And the sweatshirt has 5 different colors to choose from, and the t-shirt also has 5 different colors to choose from. The company that I'm working with was the same company as last time, Bonfire. All their stuff they sell is limited edition. This t-shirt or sweatshirt is not gonna be out for long. Literally, I think like 20 days maximum. If you do get it, I would love to see it on. Follow me on my Instagram to be updated on that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I really want to get 2,000 likes. Subscribe if you're not already. I post videos every single Sunday on this channel, and I have some fun videos planned, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.